Hello friends, hope you all are safe and healthy. Today, I Daksh Malik going to tell you a topic of vocabulary. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can take the notification. So let's begin with our today's topic, British and American spellings. Firstly, we learn about the definition. In many cases, British and American English spell the same words differently. British English, which has borrowed several words from other languages, has kept the spellings of the words as they were in the original languages. American spellings, on the other hand, reflect the way the words sound when they are spoken. Here are some examples. Firstly, there are examples of British spellings. Then there are examples of American spellings. First spelling is center. Spelling of center is C-E-N-T-R-E, while the spelling of center in American language is C-E-N-T-E-R. The spelling of fiber in British language is F-I-B-R-E, while the spelling of fiber in American language is F-I-B-E-R. The spelling of color in British language is C-O-L-O-U-R, while the spelling of color in American language is C-O-L-O-R. The spelling of flavor in British language is F-L-A-V-O-U-R, while the spelling of flavor in American language is F-L-A-V-O-R. The spelling of humor in British language is H-U-M-O-U-R, while the spelling of same word humor in American language is H-U-M-O-R. The spelling of fueled in British language is F-U-E-L-L-E-D, while the spelling of fueled in American language is F-U-E-L-E-D. The spelling of travelled in British language is T-R-A-V-E-L-L-E-D, while the spelling of travelled in American language is T-R-A-V-E-L-E-D. The spelling of aluminium in British language is A-L-U-M-I-N-I-U-M, while the spelling of aluminium in American language is A-L-U-M-I-N-U-M. The spelling of the spelling in British language of maneuver is M-A-N-O-E-U-V-R-E, while the spelling of maneuver in American language is M-A-N-E-U-V-E-R. The spelling of defense in British language is D-E-F-E-N-C-E, while the spelling of defense in American language is D-E-F-E-N-S-E. The spelling of license, which is a noun in British language, is L-I-C-E-N-C-E. The spelling of license in American language is L-I-C-E-N-S-E, while the spelling of practice in British language is, which is a verb, is P-R-A-C-T-I-S-E, while the spelling of practice in American language is P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E. The spelling of dialogue in British language is D-I-A-L-O-G-U-E, while the spelling of dialogue in American language is D-I-A-L-O-G. The spelling of catalog in British language is C-A-T-A-L-O-G-U-E, while the spelling of catalog in American language is C-A-T-A-L-O-G, catalog. The spelling of leukemia in British language is L-E-U-K-A-E-M-I-A, while the spelling of leukemia in American language is L-E-U-K-E-M-I-A, leukemia. The spelling of pediatrician in British language is P-A-E-D-I-A-T-R-I-C-I-A-N, while the spelling of pediatrician in American language is P-E-D-I-A-T-R-I-C-I-A-N, pediatrician. The spelling of apology in British language is A-P-O-L-O-G-I-S-E, while the spelling of apologize in American language is A-P-O-L-O-G-I-Z-E, apologize. The spelling of recognize in British language is R-E-C-O-G-N-I-S-E, while the spelling of recognize in American language is R-E-C-O-G-N-I-Z-E. Next, there is a exercise. There are some words which British spellings are given. We have to write the American spellings. First word is theatre. The spelling is theater in British language, while the spelling of same word theatre in American language is theatre. The spelling of paralysis in British language is paralyze, while the same word paralysis in American language is paralysis. The spelling of pretense in British language is pretence, while the spelling of pretense in American language is pretence. The spelling of program in British language is program, program, while the spelling in American language of program is programme. The spelling of grey in American language in British language is gray, while the spelling of grey in American language is grey. The spelling of British language in vapor vapor, while the spelling of vapor in American language is vapour. The spelling of fulfill in British language is full, while the same word in American language full. The spelling of litter in British language is litre, litter, while the spelling in American language is litre, while in British language liter. The spelling of labor in British language is labor, labor. The spelling of labor in American language is labour, labor. The spelling of neighbor in British language is neightbor. The spelling of neighbor in American language is neighbor. The spelling of behavior in British language is behavior, behavior, while the spelling of behavior in American language is behavior, while the spelling of jewelry in British language is jewelry, while the spelling in American language is jewelry. The spelling of monologue in British language is monolog, while the spelling of monologue in American language is monologue. The spelling of woolen in British language is wwlen, while the spelling of woolen in American language is wwlen. The spelling of favorite in British language is favorite, favorite, while the spelling of favorite in American language is favorite. The spelling of instill in British language is instill, instill, while the spelling of instill in American language is instil. The spelling of offense in British language is offense, while the spelling of offense in American language is ofense. The spelling of analysis in British language is analyz, while the same word analysis is written as analyse in American language. Thank you. Have a gorgeous day.